So this is just, it's very loose, it's very messy. And I know for some artists, and I am one of them, it can drive me a little crazy to get through the messy stage. Um, I think that, and I need to mute that. Um, I was just reading in an art group today, a lady that was talking about that she gets her paintings about half done and then she gets frustrated and throws them away. And the thing that I thought about as she was talking about it was like she pretty much diagnosed the problem herself. It was only half done. You can't expect it to look like the finished piece if it's not the finished piece. So I think that the mistake that most artists make is giving up too soon. So get used to the messy stage. Get used to allowing your layers to dry and coming back in later with more details